These people are systematically oppressed by their own government, with China's ambitious economic project known as the Belt and Road. They live in a police state, where they're monitored by one of the most advanced and intrusive surveillance.
This is what I saw before my trip to Xi'an, the ancient Chinese capital where a great number of Muslims call home. I was wrong. The scene I saw in the famous Muslim quarter blew my mind and made me question which version of the story is true. Instead of oppression and fear, I found life. Bustling streets, the aroma of sizzling skewers, and laughter echoing through the air. It wasn't just alive, it was thriving. A vibrant community at the heart of one of China's oldest cities, where culture and tradition have stood the test of time. So I started to wonder, how did we get here? How could such a stark difference exist between the story I was told and the reality in front of me? Today, I want to share what I saw and felt walking through Xi'an's Muslim quarter, a place where history, faith, and culture intertwine in ways that defy stereotypes. Let's dive into this fascinating world and uncover the real story behind Xi'an's Muslim community. Known as Chang'an throughout much of its storied past, Xi'an is one of China's 4 great ancient capitals. It served as the seat of power for several of the most influential dynasties in Chinese history, including the Qin, Han, and Tang. This city isn't just a testament to China's rich history, it's the root of the nation's civilization. While Shanghai shines as the leaves of the tree and Beijing represents its strong branches, Xi'an is where it all began, the root that holds it all together. Xi'an is world-renowned for its awe-inspiring terracotta soldiers, but the city's treasures don't end there. This ancient metropolis is home to countless cultural relics, vibrant traditions, and culinary wonders. And today we're diving into one of its most fascinating areas, the Muslim quarter. Nestled in the heart of Xi'an, the Muslim quarter is where culture, history, and cuisine come together. This district has been home to a thriving Hui Muslim community for centuries. Its centerpiece is the Great Mosque, a stunning blend of Islamic and traditional Chinese architecture. But the real allure for many visitors lies in the streets, lined with an explosion of sights, sounds, and, most importantly, smells. From sizzling grills to bubbling soups, the Muslim quarter is a paradise for food lovers. Before we dive into the mouth-watering dishes you absolutely have to try, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll never miss our future adventures exploring incredible destinations like Xi'an. What makes the Muslim quarter so special is not just the incredible food, but the atmosphere. The streets come alive with the energy of locals and tourists savoring every bite. The bright lights of the stalls, the rhythmic clatter of woks, and the laughter of people all combine to create a sensory experience like no other. As I dig into this bowl of Yangru Pao Mo, it's hard not to appreciate the cultural legacy reflected in every bite. The Muslim Quarter isn't just a place to eat, it's a place to connect with the rich history and traditions of Xi'an. From the artisans crafting hand-pulled noodles to the spice merchants selling blends passed down through generations, every corner of this district tells a story. So, whether you're here to explore the historical roots of Xi'an or indulge in its culinary wonders, the Muslim Quarter is a destination that will leave a lasting impression. From savory kebabs to sweet mung bean cakes, there's something here for everyone. enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can join me on more incredible adventures. And if you've been to Xi'an before, let me know in the comments. What's your favorite dish in the Muslim Quarter? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, happy exploring.